Hi children, today we are trying to understand another two measurements, heavier, lighter. Yes, we are trying to understand the measurements, heavier, lighter. When you take from the garden a stone, that is very heavy. Yes, and if you have a paper in the hand, then you say the stone is heavier than the paper. Or stone is heavier than the leaf, heavier. So we look at the pictures today, try to understand lighter, heavier, heavier, lighter. Shall we? Look, here is our first picture. You compare the two things and see for yourself, heavier, lighter. When you say heavier, lighter, we should put it on the weighing machine, big, huge weighing machine. Now, when you look at a toy car, a tiny toy car and a huge bus, which you think is heavier? Certainly, you will say the bus is heavier than the toy car, or the toy car is lighter than the bus. So, this is heavier, lighter. We are trying to understand the measurement. Lighter, heavier, heavier, lighter. Now can you understand? We will do some more. Let's look at our next picture. Look what you have here. You have a huge cake, birthday cake, and you also have a tiny cone strawberry ice cream. If you weigh this, on a weighing machine, certainly the cone ice cream is lighter than the cake. Or the cake, birthday cake, is heavier than the strawberry cone ice cream. So this is lighter than the cake, or the cake is heavier than the ice cream. Lighter, heavier, heavier, lighter. Now can you understand the two measurements, heavier, lighter? Look, let's look at another picture. Look what we have here. If you put on a big, huge machine to weigh, you have a little goat here and a huge elephant here. Who will weigh more? Certainly, the elephant is heavier than the little goat, or the goat is lighter compared to the elephant. Lighter, heavier. You put on the machine and see so many kgs. Or the goat maybe just 10 to 12 kg. This would be 100, 200. The elephant is heavier than the goat. The goat is lighter than the elephant. Heavier, lighter, lighter, heavier. I'm sure now you understood what is heavier, lighter. Let's go to another picture. See what we have here. We have a butterfly and we have a little red hen. Put them on to a weighing machine. You will find the little red hen is very heavy and the butterfly is hardly any weight. So butterfly is lighter than the little red hen. The little red hen is heavier than the butterfly. Lighter, heavier, heavier, lighter. Did you understand now? Yes. Let's go to another picture. Look what we have here. We have two pots here. This pot is made of mud, clay. Certainly clay pot will be very heavy, and this is the plastic jar. The clay pot is heavier, good, than the plastic jar. This is lighter than the mud pot. Heavier, lighter, lighter, heavier. Good. Let's look at another picture. See what we have here. We have two items here. One is a football and one is a balloon. If you weigh them, what will you see? The balloon is lighter than the football. Football is heavier than the balloon. lighter, heavier, heavier, lighter. Good. Shall we look at one more picture? Look what we have. Did you understand the two measurements? Lighter, heavier. We have a mango here, and here is a pea pod. We just have 3 peas in it. Pea pod. Now, the mango. The mango is heavier than the pea pod. One single pea pod with 3 peas in it. Heavier, lighter. This is lighter, heavier. I am sure you understood the two measurements, heavier and lighter, when you look at the weight of the items. Let's go to another picture. See what we have here. Again we have a nice, beautiful, tall, big jar, and we have a tiny little jar. When you weigh these two, the jar and you put on the table, no, to put water jug. The tall jar is heavier than this object, this water jug. Water jug is lighter than this pot. Beautiful vase. Heavier, lighter. Lighter, heavier. Have you understood what is lighter, heavier? On a weighing machine, if you put both these, certainly this is heavier and this is lighter. Good. Let's take another picture. Let's compare these two and see. Here you have a log of wood and you have a single leaf. You put on the machine. Log of wood is a piece of the trunk of a tree. Log, this is heavier than a single leaf. The leaf is lighter than the log of wood. Heavier, lighter, lighter, heavier. Good. Let's take another picture. See what you have? You have a dragonfly. When do you see the dragonfly? Before the rain, rainy season, you see the tiny dragonfly moving about in the garden, tiny thing. And here you have a bird. If you weigh the two, the dragonfly is lighter than the bird. This tiny bird is heavier than the dragonfly. Lighter, heavier, heavier, lighter. Now you learned the two measurements? Good. Let's look at one more picture. See what you have here. Look, you have a brick. What is brick? You build houses, isn't it? And what is this? It's a shell. Where do you find this shell? Yeah, in the sea or on the riverside, anywhere. A shell. A little animal lives in it. When you weigh a shell and a huge brick, the brick is heavier than the shell. This is shell, this is brick. This is lighter than the brick. Heavier, lighter, lighter, heavier. Brick is heavier than the shell. The shell is lighter than the brick. Good. Let's look at another picture. I'm sure now you understood the two measurements, heavier and lighter. You make your own kite, don't you? Yes. Now, you have a kite here, you have a jet plane here. Jet. Now, the kite is lighter than the plane, the jet plane. The jet plane is heavier than the kite. Even if you have a toy aeroplane, even then the toy aeroplane is heavier than a kite. Kite is lighter than a toy aeroplane. Good. Let's go to another picture and learn to understand heavier, lighter. Look, what do you have here? You have a baby duckling and a ladybird. Where do you find the ladybird? You find ladybird in the garden. Yes, tiny little insect. The ladybird insect is lighter than the duckling. The duckling is heavier than the tiny ladybird insect. Lighter, heavier, heavier, lighter. I'm sure you understood the two measurements, heavier and lighter. Yes?